recording started.
Yeah. So what we have done this week is we've integrated end to end, and we've also integrated this with size guarantee website. So from the website, when end customer, that is the shop owners, when they are landing on size guarantee website, they will be able to book a demo, and they will also be able to try now. So what will happen if they click try now, it will actually take them to the real onboarding process by itself. So you can see once I click on try now, we are shown the onboarding process itself. So here they will be able to choose the plan which they are familiar with. I mean, they are comfortable with. Then proceed with the registration. Yeah. In registration, as usual, we will be asking the company name, uh, and then the person's name and the registered email address and passwords. And then on the third step, the card information is optional. So we'll skip this card part now. This is optional for the user. So once we submit, that account has been created now, and he is logged into the system. But now, without the email being verified, the user will not be able to access any of the features of our size guarantee application. So until the verification is done, he will be prompted with this email verification pending message. So if the email is not sent, he can also try to resend the verification. So we will go to email, and we will check that email. Yeah, click on that. Yeah, click on that. So you will be receiving an verify email link, and if he clicks on that link, then his email is validated. After the email is validated, then he will be able to access this online source original menu item, and then he will be able to set up his online store with us. So let us go to the online store setup process. So in this online store setup process, it is like 4 or 5 stages of inputs that we are getting. Now this is the store name. So this is the size guarantee. They are giving an online store. The customer's online store name, he can give it a name, and he can proceed. So now we have a test store with us. So that store is test store, and then the store URL. We have a test store, so we will enter that store URL here. Yeah, Divya, you can enter the Shopify store URL that we have.
Okay. Can you send him in the chat, please? The Shopify store URL.
Yeah.
I'll share it in chat.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
So this is a test store that you just set up for this demo. This is actually a demo Shopify store, and yeah, and also we are asking for a logos URL now, but we will actually be asking for the logo file. So here for now we are asking for logo URL. Can you give it with HTTPS, Divya? Just copy paste and remove that slash. the end. Yeah. So the second step, we are asking for the type of integration that the size guarantee will play with their online store. So right now we are working on pop-up style. So we select the pop-up style and we proceed. And the third one is this button. Actually, they can customize the button and also the pop-ups look and feel. So for now, we have given three parameters, which is like primary color and text color and a font family. So this not only just reflects on this button, but also on that pop-up integration. The primary color, the text color, and the font family will be used. So this is given in order to for the customer to configure his look and feel along with to align with his online store. So that's what this option is. Can click next. And next, this size guarantee integration, we are this is we have few configurations where the online store user can decide like how this integration can work with this online store. So these are some of the switches that he has that we that the online store user has right now. So the first setting is like asking the end user itself to uh, enter whether it is a two images and enter his height manually, or is it three images so that all three images will be given. And uh, the third one is we give a switch to the end user itself so that he can toggle between entering a height manually or the third cache pose image can be given. So with these three type of inputs, the online store user itself he can choose from this. And then like whether they are using inches or cm as their primary measurement. Based on that, you can select whether it is inches or switches. Also like this is share your website. This is the user consent, whether the user is able to share his image or not. So that one. And again the labeling, who should be doing the labeling. So these inputs are, these are the switches right now that we have with the integration. You can choose next Divya. So we can review and generate the code now. So once he generates the code, he will be seeing at the instructions of what type of store he has chosen. Based on that, he will be seeing these instructions. And right now, we have a test store with us. So we will go to the test store, Shopify store, and we will integrate this one. Yeah. So we go to theme.liquid and copy paste the first tag, which is that first tag. Yeah. Paste it, save it. And there is a second step where we need to open the product cart related file and then enter that second part of the code. Yeah, click save. Divya. Click save. And close and again open this. You can refresh this page otherwise. Yeah, it's already loaded. Divya.
Right. Yeah, okay.
So now the second shortcode is being pasted. So this shortcode is yeah, there is a duplicate which we tried last time. So line number 233, delete that line, please. Can you delete line number 232? That is old code actually.
Okay.
Can you go back to that short code and yeah, copy paste it? Yes, save. So now we have done the two steps of the integration. Can you go back to the BSS footer? So the first two steps we have integrated. Now we can see like we can validate this integration whether it actually integrated with the store or not. So what we are doing for this, what happens is when the validate integration is clicked, we actually go to the original store, we crawl the original store and check whether that know your size button comes. So this is all actually completely automated with our testing suite. So we will actually visit that online store, we crawl that page and see whether that no size button comes, and also click on that no size button, go through the complete process, and only then that validated symbol will be the store will be marked as validated. Divya, can you go back to that BSS portal? Yeah, just wait a second. So only when the store is being validated, and you click on that embed code, Divya. Can you scroll down? Yeah, only the store is validated. Click back. Then the store will switch to active mode. Store status. Store status is switched to active mode. Until then, the store status will be in inactive mode, meaning that the integration is in halfway. So here we actually automate and check whether this integration with the store worked or not worked using that script. So now this integration has been done. Now we can create a test user for this particular store. Yeah, we can create a demo user. Actually, this is a demo user that we can configure for this size guarantee integration. So right now I'm giving one email ID which I'm going to treat as a demo user. Just give me 1 second. Yeah, while creating a demo user, we need to validate that email ID whether it is uh, valid email or not. So we are asking for OTP to check whether that valid email or not. And in this step, we are actually asking for gender, and also we are asking to choose a size. So you can click submit. So this you will be seeing during the uh, integration, how it works. Now we have created a demo user for the store. Let us proceed to the store and use the size guarantee integration using this email ID. You can copy that. And now this is the test store that you've been integrated. Can you refresh the page, Divya? Yeah. So now we click on the know your size button. Started. You can use the email ID. This is the demo user email ID that you have configured in our backend, the DSS portal. Now we next. So the purpose of this demo user is actually to avoid the costly image processing API calls. So other than that, the integration completely works like OTP verification, the detecting of the size. So
why do we give the photo now then if we already have it?
Because we
Hold on, please.
we need to show this. The whole purpose of this demo user and demo thing is to show like how this integration works.
I'll take a question offline.
So how do we can put any photo? So demo is just a photo, like any photo, like no need a human photo. Just want to make sure there is a 3 photo.
Yeah. So can you click next? Yes. And the size that has been selected has been shown. Can you go to BSS portal area? Don't close this. You can see that email, gender, and size is actually set to M. So what size we have set to be shown there. So that is how it works. Now this size guarantee.myshopify.com is this URL we have given in chat. So anyone can try using that actually. Yeah.
Okay.
So this is the size demo integration.
Yeah, so I think the demo user, guys, to understand everybody, demo user just like pretending this is a mock user, so that the user are comfortable does not worrying about the photo. Hey, I need to take this photo, all this stuff. Can you do that? Or no need. Just we create the demo user, and whoever had a lead, they will get demo user. So just they go and click, and they can see the size.
Yeah.
So are we done with the demo? Can we ask questions, and do we want to record this?
Yes, still have
done with the size guarantee, that end to end this demo.